Hey you guys, it's Marisha, and if you didn't know, I am on vacation. I am on a cruise, a Royal Caribbean cruise to Bermuda, and I have to take you guys on all of the food journeys, of course. This is day one. We just got on the boat not too long ago, and this is the first meal of the day. So we are in the Windjammer's buffet. They are known to have a plethora of delicious foods. So let's see what we have here. First up is this salad bar, of course. I do remember 2 years ago when I did a Royal Caribbean cruise, the salad was great. It's always kind of impressive to me. It's super fresh, very crispy, and they have a good amount of toppings. I hate how the dressing gets all messy and nasty. That kind of makes me say, eh. So this is the Jade section, and this is where they have their Asian cuisine. They had my favorite Indian dishes, seriously. But there you can see that butter and pea dish. I don't know what it's called, I'm so sorry, but I love that dish. Now here, this is so-called creme brulee. I want y'all to look at that and tell me if y'all think that this is creme brulee. Or do you think it was a box flan that they added water to it and then put it in a cup and then called it creme brulee? Oh, and this is no sugar added, but it still has sugar, but it's just not added. I have a little cute little sugar-free, gluten-free cake, which I didn't get, but it looked really cute. Now here we have a cute little build-your-own salad station with the peppers, the onions, the garbanzo beans, the eggs, the ham. I see raisins, and I don't know why. And they're next to the carrots. Maybe you can build your own little carrot cake with raisins, because I can't imagine that that'd be for the salad, but I'm not going to judge for those who like that. Next to that, we have some meats and stuff. There's a little carving station right here, some ham, some beef, and then they have some of the best fruits ever. Okay, I don't know where to get their fruits from. It's like they have a special situation with Farmer John, and John just supplies them with the sweetest watermelons and melons and all types of good stuff. Now I am back I'm lost. I turned around because the line was crazy. Now this is the pasta station. There was always a pasta station, although that looks like beans right there. So we have a pasta, and then we have something in a red sauce. I don't know what that is. So I went to my safe space, hot dogs and hamburgers. Isn't that right? That's everybody's safe space. When in doubt, go the burger route. So I did grab a burger and hot dog. I grabbed a little bit of a french fry or two to try that, as well as that cheesy pasta, which I think they called that mac and cheese. That's a lie. But we're going to keep on going. We see mashed potatoes. We see rolls. We see toppings for your rolls. A little DIY sandwich situation. Now, arroz con pollo. Is this the little Hispanic section that we have going on right here? I think it is. Next to the mashed potatoes and gravy. Okay, it's not. But let's get a little bit of everything and then find a seat. Well, this is a very crowded place. Extremely crowded. Hey, Mommy. That's Mommy Couture. But we managed to grab a seat beside the window, which is wonderful. We're still here at the port. This is the food. This is my first meal. I got a creme brulee. We have arroz con pollo. A little smidge of mashed potatoes to taste. Girl, how about that's not even mashed potatoes? That is bread pudding. What? The cheeseburger line was the longest line. Tomato, mayonnaise, ketchup. I got a little extra cheese because I didn't know that it comes with cheese. And a hot dog and a little bit of french fries. So, Mommy got a little salad and pretty much the same thing. And what is that, string beans? Mm-hmm. And string beans with hers. I am hot, you guys. That was a little bit of a workout. I haven't had a french fry in the longest. Ew. Of course it's cold. We had to walk around for a while.
This beef stroganoff thing is pretty good.
Mommy likes the beef stroganoff. The hot dog is good. It's a good quality hot dog. I'm not a big hot dog person. It's very salty.
Most fish is white fish. Is a white fish.
Here's the burger. It's nice and meaty, and it has good flavor. The chicken from the arroz con pollo isn't very flavorful. It has like the slightest flavor of spices, and the rice is also very flavorless. It has just the slightest flavor. And this is warm bread pudding.
Oh, really?
Mixed in with my ketchup. Or at least touching my ketchup. It was very gelatinous. Like, you know, it's very like...
I thought that was mashed potatoes.
I know. I think I did too. I think I forgot what it was. That's a very spongy, kind of wet. It's not my favorite, which is good. I won't be getting that again. The mashed potatoes just taste like potato. That's it. No seasoning, no nothing. So I'm not tempted to eat any of the bad things so far. The creme brulee, I just realized it's like there's no way to bake it in here. So it's probably a mix and set, like, you know, a stir and set type of creme brulee. This isn't brulee. But let's give it a try either way. This is solid. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Solid as a rock. How does that happen? I'm scared to eat that. Isn't it supposed to be whipped cream? I don't want a crunchy whipped cream. It's a mix. They added water and then put it in the cup and then let it sit. It's not even a good mix. It's so thin. Yeah, there's nothing tasty about that. There is not a fly in here. Oh my goodness. It's a stowaway fly. Apricot, almond, pistachio. I'm not a big fan of cakes and crust, but the cake was still kind of tasty, so I ate half of it. And that was my first meal, my lunch on the Royal Caribbean. Tell me what you think down below. I will be posting some of the meals on my Marisha Couture Cakes channel and my entire experience start to finish on my Marisha Couture channel, so please make sure that you're following that channel if you aren't already. I recorded just about every meal, and you guys, the best meal of course was in Bermuda. Y'all have got to make sure that you're subscribed to both channels so that you get all of this deliciousness that I have coming your way. See you guys in the next video. Bye, Cake Nistas.